In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, you need to record it here and add it right away. To do that, tap on Voice. Hold this microphone to record and let go to stop and add your audio file to your message. If you want to create and add a video, click on Camera section. Select Take Video in the pop-up. Record it. Discard it thanks to this X, and add it thanks to this checkmark. If you want to add already existing video, click on Image and tap on it here. Then select Done at the top right corner. Unfortunately, mine is too big, so I need to record it and add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!